Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix dark mode is not working properly in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're using S21 Plus and you're facing the issue that your dark mode is not working properly, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to your settings here, and in the settings you have to make sure that your software is up to date. So make sure that you're connected to internet. Go to software update section here, click on check for updates to check for the pending software updates here. So it will tell you if you might find any pending software update here, just try to download and install it on your phone. And once you've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your phone. A forced restart can be fixed some software issues, software glitch or errors. Now to do that, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. The very first thing, you might get a black screen here. Your screen goes really black. Once you got a black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo here, and once you see a Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a force restart your phone, which might take longer than usual. You have to wait for a few seconds here, and once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry to check out, and your problem will be fixed. Just wait for it. So here, once your phone has been restarted, you just have to try to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Just unlock your phone here, and your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so the one more thing you can try to go to your settings app here and just scroll down, go to general management here, and here the further scroll down, go to reset. You might see the reset all settings option. Just select this and then click on reset settings. So basically it will reset all over your phone setting to default. So once I've resetted your phone settings, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any setting issue of your phone, it might be fixed in the step. So after this, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.